Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a young boy named Aryan. From a very young age, Aryan harbored dreams of achieving great success in life. However, he was unsure of how to turn his aspirations into reality. One sunny day, Aryan stumbled upon an old, tattered book in the village library. Its title read, "The Path to Success." Intrigued, he began reading it eagerly. The book revealed that success wasn't merely a stroke of luck but a journey of hard work, perseverance, and self-belief. Determined to follow the book's teachings, Aryan devised a plan. The first step was to set clear goals. He identified his passions and envisioned a future where he had achieved them. With these goals in mind, he charted a path forward. Next, Aryan understood the importance of knowledge. He delved into books, attended workshops, and sought guidance from mentors. He realized that continuous learning was the key to honing his skills and broadening his perspectives. However, Aryan knew that knowledge alone was not enough. He had to take action. He started by taking small steps towards his goals. Whether it was practicing his craft daily or volunteering in his community, he ensured that he consistently worked towards his aspirations. Aryan also understood the significance of resilience. Challenges and setbacks were inevitable, but he saw them as opportunities for growth. He remained steadfast in the face of adversity, learning from his failures and using them as stepping stones towards success. In his journey, Aryan recognized the value of networking. He built meaningful connections with like-minded individuals, mentors, and experts in his field. Their support and guidance propelled him forward and opened doors to new opportunities. Additionally, Aryan embraced a positive mindset. He understood the power of self-belief and practiced affirmations daily. Whenever doubt crept in, he reminded himself of his capabilities and focused on his strengths. As the years passed, Aryan's hard work, determination, and perseverance paid off. He achieved success beyond his wildest dreams, but more importantly, he found fulfillment and happiness in the journey itself. Aryan's story became an inspiration to others in the village. They realized that success wasn't confined to a select few, but rather it was attainable for anyone who dared to dream and worked relentlessly towards their goals. And so, the village became a hub of dreamers and achievers, each carving their own paths to success. And it all began with a young boy named Aryan, who showed them that with dedication, resilience, and belief in oneself, anyone could create their own story of triumph.